Hi guys, it's me Cherry and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, our instructor gave us an activity which is to make a salted egg using the two methods, and that is using mud and using salted water. But in this video, I will show you first the method which we will use mud. Are you ready guys? So let's go! So, the first thing to do is to prepare the materials needed in making a salted egg using the mud method.
So we need 10 pieces of eggs, 4 cups of salt, 12 cups of clay soil, water, container, and then disposable gloves. So before we start, let's wear first the disposable gloves. And now, let's proceed on step 2. Mix together 12 cups of clay and 4 cups of salt. Now, let's proceed on step 3. Add water little by little as it is being mixed until an even distribution is attained. Again, add water. Squeeze and crush continuously the clay soil until the mixture is ready. And now the mixture is ready, so we will going to proceed on step 4. Step 4. Put a thick layer of this mixture at the bottom of the container. Now that the layer is enough, we will proceed on step 5, which is we are going to wrap each egg in a clay or in the mixture. After the egg was wrapped in a lump of clay or mixture, we will gonna put it at the top of the mixture layer in the container. Now that all eggs was already wrapped in a clay and putted in the container, we are gonna cover the egg with mixture. Just continue putting a mixture until the eggs was fully covered by the salted clay or mixture. And now we are done covering the eggs with the salted clay. So let's clean the edges of the container. And after that, we were going to set it aside for 2 weeks. And now, our salted egg is ready for cooking. But before we proceed on cooking, of course, we need to get first the egg from the container. Pick it one by one and put it in a clean container. And after that, we are going to wash the egg to remove the clay around its shell. Wash it one by one and make it sure that you remove all the clay around its shells. And after that, put it on a clean container. Then, we are going to wash it again. And now, the egg is already clean and ready for cooking. So, we are going to put now the egg on the casserole. And when all egg is already on the casserole, pour water on it. And then, put the casserole on the gas stove. Set the fire into the medium fire. Cook it for 15 minutes. And wait until it boils. And now, it is already boiling, so set the fire into low fire to avoid the egg being cracked. it's already 50 minutes and the salted egg is already cooked. So turn off the gas stove and let the egg cool down first. Now let's pick it one by one and put it in a clean container.
Thank you so much guys for watching. And if nag-enjoy kayo, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you guys on my next video about making salted egg using the method of salted water. That's all. Bye guys!